What is trial separation? When a relationship hits a rough patch, it doesn't always mean it's over. Some couples need space to reflect before making a final decision about divorce. That's where trial separation comes in. It's not just a break, it's a deliberate, structured time apart that can bring clarity and direction to a struggling marriage. In New York, this approach is becoming increasingly common. While it doesn't carry the legal weight of divorce or formal separation, it gives couples a chance to evaluate their relationship without permanent consequences. For many, it's the first real step toward resolution, whether that means reconciling or parting ways. Legalities of trial separation in New York. New York law does not formally recognize trial separation. That means it isn't a legal status and doesn't change your marital obligations unless you enter into a formal separation agreement. Without that, any arrangement made between spouses is strictly informal and unenforceable in court. That's why it's so important to lay out ground rules in writing. These typically address who lives where, how parenting time will be managed, who pays which bills, and whether financial support is needed. Even without legal backing, a written plan can help avoid confusion and reduce conflict. However, if either spouse violates the terms, the other has limited legal recourse. To formalize and protect your rights during a separation, many couples choose to file a legal separation agreement. This document, drafted with the help of an attorney, becomes enforceable once signed and filed. A lawyer can guide you through the process and help protect your interests. Do trial separations work? They can, when done right. Trial separations offer couples space to reflect without rushing into divorce. Success hinges on mutual commitment, strong communication, and clearly defined expectations. Without structure, it often leads to more confusion or emotional strain. Living apart offers clarity. Some find a renewed appreciation for their partner. Others recognize deep issues that are beyond repair. In both cases, the time apart serves a purpose. The goal isn't just to create distance, but to understand whether rebuilding the relationship is possible. For couples in New York, even trial separation under the same roof is an option. While more complex, it allows for shared parenting and finances while maintaining emotional and physical distance. But boundaries are essential to make this setup work. What is trial separation and how does it work? A trial separation is an informal agreement where spouses choose to live apart temporarily. Unlike divorce, there's no legal process involved unless you file a separation agreement. It allows both parties to reflect on their relationship while still married. Duration varies, but a minimum of 6 months is often recommended. It gives each spouse time to evaluate their needs, emotional well-being, and long-term intentions. During this time, many couples work out details like finances, parenting schedules, and whether dating other people is acceptable. A separation agreement isn't required, but it can clarify expectations and reduce misunderstandings. If reconciliation isn't possible, the couple can transition to legal separation or divorce. A law firm can help draft this agreement to make sure both parties are protected. If you're facing uncertainty in your marriage, speaking with a lawyer can make a significant difference. The informal nature of trial separation can feel manageable, but the legal implications, especially involving children or shared finances, should be handled with care. An attorney ensures your interests are considered and helps you move forward with confidence. Reach out to Juan Luciano divorce lawyer to learn more about how trial separation works in New York. Call 212-537-5859 or visit us at 347 5th Avenue, STE 1003, New York, New York, 10016, United States to schedule a consultation. Our law firm is here to guide you through every step with clarity and support.